Hello everyone. Let's learn some colors and shapes. Light pink color, red color, orange color, blue color, maroon color, dark pink color, yellow color, black color, pink color, dark green color, brown color, sky blue color, green color, light orange color, purple color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Heart. Triangle. Hexagon. Star. Square. Circle. Purple color. Heart. Brown color. Triangle. Orange color. Hexagon. Dark green color. Star. Red color. Square. Dark pink color. Circle. Purple color, brown color, orange color, dark green color, red color, dark pink color, heart, triangle, hexagon, star, square, circle. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.